Sargo. There. Nice Sargo. Sargo. First keeper. The ship's head. Dang. Ship's head. Got another one. Ship's head. Got small calico bass. Too small. Here. Where is it? It's a bigger sculpin. Sculpin. Yeah, it's a big one.
So that was big.
Big sculpin. Okay. Sculpin. It's a sculpin.
Are those edible?
Yeah, but a lot of it's poisonous. Shark. Got a shovel nose. First catch. Gotta pull the line. Gotta pull it. It's the first catch right here. Shovel, no shovel. Here we go again. Today after work, going to the dog beach. Time is 1:12 p.m. and we're crossing the creek, going to get some ghost shrimp for bait. Probably need about 25-30 ghost shrimps. Just fishing for a couple hours today. Yeah, we're gonna be pumping in a couple minutes. We're here now in the beach, so let's go get some ghost shrimp right here. First pump right here. That's the first one. It's a good size one. Second four ghost shrimps right here. And we got 5 right away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 9 right now. They won't pinch me. 30. 30 pieces. Four. We got 36 right now. Should be enough. 36. Let's go ahead and wash the pump. Let's go fishing. Okay, we're done pumping today, so let's go fishing. We're back here again in the creek. We're going back to the car and go fishing on the surf. Not sure where we're going yet. Gotta find out where it's not busy. Might be a lot of people, so we're going up to the parking lot now. And we're here. We park right here. Got all my fishing gears here. So let's go. We're at Ocean Beach Pier right now. They just opened it today. Time now is 1:58 p.m. We just got here from Dog Beach. We just pumped some ghost shrimp today. Let's go do the first rig right here. Just gonna put one bait, one hook, just a dropper loop. Probably use a 15-pound test line. Here's the first one, using a 15-pound test line. It's a uni nut. Put the weight right here. Make a loop. 5 times knot. And only 2 to 3 feet leader from the weight. Using a size 2 hooks. And this Palomar nut. Here's the weight, using 2-ounce weight. By the way, the hook that we're using is size 1, mustard size 1. The first bull shrimp that we're gonna use. Bull shrimps. I think I got about 46 pieces. Gonna tie it with a magic thread from Amazon. This is the magic thread right here. First bait, go shrimp. It's a live one. Don't hook the go shrimp so it won't die. It's a live go shrimp. It's ready to cast. Right here. First cast on the go shrimp right here. There we go. Let's try just close by. Right there. It's kind of shallow, but should be some fish out there. Listen to. Okay, we got 3 rods right here. We got 3 lines in the wire. The third one right here, Shimano reel. Here's the second one. Again, we're here at Ocean Beach Pier. They just opened it today. It's the first rod and reel, another Shimano. We're using a go shrimp that we pump today at Dog Beach. There we go. We got about 46 go shrimps. I got a fish right here. First fish right here. Let's see what it is. Got a first fish. There she is. Shovel nose shark. Shark. Got a shovel nose. First catch. Gotta pull the line. They have a landing net, so gotta pull it. It's the first catch right here. Shovel no shark. Oh shit, swallowed my hook. Gotta cut it out. No. Oh. Get out.
Wala.
Diyan pa.
Pating goose.
Shovel no shark again. Second shovel no shark.
Shovel nose.
Shovel.
No, that's
Why always follow you?
And ghost shrimp.
Nasaan yung pliers?
Got one right here. Oh, you got sargo. Right there. Nice sargo. Ning! I got sargo. First keeper. And you got another sargo. Oh yeah, another oh, it's a sheep's head. The sheep's head. Dang. Sheep's head. Got another one.
What's that?
Sheep's head. Huh?
That's the size legal?
Yeah.
You have to get water.
Follow me. Give me the scissors. Follow my hook.
Hey, you got knife?
Oh. Got one small calico bass. It's too small to let it go. Scalping. So scalping.
Are those edible?
Yeah, but a lot of this poisonous. It's edible and it's legal.
Got one.
But I gotta let it go.
Oh, that is awesome. Oh, wait. What kind of fish is that?
Scalping.
You got, so it's too small?
No, but it's poisonous. And see those spines? The spines in the back and the bottom, the side.
That is awesome. I'm putting him on YouTube.
Yeah, me too. I have YouTube too.
Yeah, I'm going to put you on YouTube too.
Yeah, alright.
That is so cool. Hey, that is awesome.
Yeah, let it go. Okay. Thanks.
Hey, next time you're on YouTube, check out John the Baptist Wannabe. John the Baptist wannabe.
Okay, let me get my phone.
Let's go. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back.
Okay. Yung phone ko.
Should we release this thing?
Be careful. Be careful. Yeah, I'm gonna release it.
How do I put this thing back before he dies?
Oh, I got flyers right here. This is my YouTube channel too.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
What's yours?
John the Baptist wannabe. Is this fish gonna die or he's gonna be okay?
No, I mean it's not gonna die. You can let it go. It's just a lot of spine in there. It's poisonous, but it's good eating. Just don't get. Yeah, right there.
Nice. Here, you want me? I can show people your YouTube channel.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, where's your? Show your YouTube again.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, check out this YouTube channel. Hey, so you do this for a job?
Oh no, and just for fun.
Oh, just for fun.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Well, take care and God bless.
You too. I'm gonna subscribe on your channel too. So let's see yours. Yeah, can you put yours?
Yeah.
How many subscribers do you have?
Like
a lot.
2,000.
Oh, they're almost the same. I got 2,500.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, not really.
It's fun.
It's not making money.
It's
really.
just something to do, you know.
Yeah, me too.
Just something to
I
do.
still actually I work today. You know, it's just.
How can I add to this? I want to add the word wannabe. John the Baptist wannabe.
John the Baptist. Let's see. Just go like this.
I have to add one more word.
Yeah, it should come up.
Okay, let me see.
Let's see. It should come up right there.
Oh, there we go. I can add one more word.
Yeah. Yeah, I should your channel.
that's
Yeah,
it.
that's one. Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, you take care.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, I just subscribe. Okay.
Yep. Hey, I'll
you.
put that video. You'll
All
see
right.
it.
Thank you.
Take care.
You. Yellow tail. Yellow tail. What is it? Oh,
yeah, look at
it's a rockfish.
Yeah, you can.
It's a rockfish.
Just don't let
bass, rockfish.
Rockfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's.
Can I take a picture of it? Good job.
Yeah.
Got him. Cannot eat that one, right?
Small.
Small?
Yeah, these are okay. This fish are still alive. Look, still alive. Still moving. Ning, hipon.
Black one.
Yeah.
Subukan kong hipon. Ah, dito. Oh.
Black one.
Good shot.
Yes, no flipper. What is that? What is that?
These are the camarones.
Oh, camarones.
The real shrimp.
Like
Real shrimp. Camarones. Feed the fish.
No, but
No.
fish right here. Where is it? It's a bigger sculpin.
Is that a rockfish?
Sculpin.
Sculpin?
Yeah, it's a big one.
Bro, that one's sick.
Big sculpin. I'll keep it.
That's so cool.
He got it by himself. What kind of fish is that?
Sculpin.
Wow. Are they good to eat?
Yeah.
Good job.
A lot of spine right there. Spine. That's,
You don't want to get spined, huh?
yeah, that's poisonous.
It's poisonous?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Good job.
You gotta cut off those spines.
Is that a shark?
Sculpin.
They're poisonous?
Yeah. Only the spine. See what we got here. It's a big smelt right here.
Our buddy lives on the top floor closest.
Smelt. Yeah, big smelt.
哎，蛮大的。
33, we're on the ocean with